Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, December the 14th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the Kayla Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, one with 4 stars and one with 3 stars. And the last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also the additional for tomorrow afternoon. We have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku with 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star in Dutch, they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon, but this evening I will solve 4 puzzles out of 6 in this puzzle page. And the first one is a 4 stars Sudoku, number 9749. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has actually 24 printed digits. Yes, it's a truly 4 stars Sudoku. Yeah. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. I see a lot of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sixes. So I start with a 6. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. Only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places level the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column, the only 3 places level the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 in that row, no 6 there, the only place level 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see digit number 6. How about the 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place level 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about the 2 in this column? 2 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, no, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the column between. Again, the 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next, so in that column, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And now, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Oh, I eat. Then, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in the second column. Should be there. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left on 9 should be there. 1 and the 4. 1, 4, and then 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. The second column, those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 149, 149, 149, 149. And look, we have 1 and 9 in this row. No 1 and 9 in this box. 1 and then 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 4. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 1, okay. Then let me see. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 9, shoot them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Shoot them. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in the third column. 1 in one of those two boxes in the second column. From the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. Okay, the 3 and the 7. Okay, 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Okay, then let me see. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Well, need a 7 there. Okay, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these two boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 7. Well, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the middle column, so no 7 there. We have 7 in the column next, no 7 there. So the only place left for 7 in the first row should be there. And then 3 and the 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. These two boxes can be 9 because we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9. It's the only place left for the 9 in this row should be there. So 1 box left in the second column for number 1. Okay. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes at there. 4, 4. 3, 7, 8. 8. 3, 7. I need a 3 and the 7 here. 3, 7, and the 5. I need a 5. 5 should be here. 5 should be there. Alright. How about... need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 8, 5. 8. Well, in this row, we need an 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next or last column, the only place left, 8 should be there. In this column we need an 8. 4 missing numbers. This box can be an 8, we have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. This box can be an 8, we have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. So the 8 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in the last row, no 8 there. The only place left at 8 should be there. So 5 and a 3. 7 and a 3. Okay. Then, let me think. 7 and 4. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5, 5. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. 1 and a 3. Okay. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Then let's see, 2, 3, 4, and 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 1. We have a 3 now in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, to the third row. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Then here 2 numbers left. The 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5 in this row. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 3 and 8. We have 8 now in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 14 minutes. Wow. Well. I thought maybe it was a tough one, but it's not a tough one. Not a 4, not a 3, not a 2 should be a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. I think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.